What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Buffy and Llama on here to see you guys, and we are making a special thing. We got
It is. You should remember it.
We got push pop weapon 45. This push pop is not an ordinary push pop. It could save you, but this push pop is wooden, so this could really hurt someone. And this is could get everyone out of here. So let's get moving. With us, and now she will. I'm gonna be in front of baby and we'll beg you to go on around. So I guess I'll look on around.
It's so big.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Can Mama be in front of the ladder now?
Just for a second. I'm coming right back in a minute.
Huh?
I was talking to Lucy.
I'm going to split second and go be on the because then maybe
It's a whole big nice thing. They're not in the right direction, don't you?
okay, push pop 75 could save you from anything. Like you, are you clips? No. Okay, this cutie could. Oh no, my push 70 push. Well, it's wood anyways. That's okay. If it's wood, that's fine because it's wood, obviously. Well, guys, Dad, my push pop 70 push pop is breaking. Well, guys, we could eat you up. Just kidding, guys. We are going to do. Something very important.
Nothing for in here.
And why do you have it? What are you using?
We are going to make the babies swim. Sorry about that. So I'll be right back. I don't get it. Dun. Daddy. Look.
Yeah.
I'm doing a video with my iPad, so you better not mess it up, okay? So you better not go near me because then you'll mess it up. Okay, guys, we also. Oh no, my push pop 70 bush. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just jumped down. Guys, I think it's a little tiring doing this job, but we gotta do the job. Daddy,
Daniel, I'll take an hour break. Should I just leave this like this or should I wash it? Do you think?
You want to probably watch that. If you're taking a whole hour, the brush at least.
Okay.
Because the brush will go bad.
Daddy, I want to take apart something.
No.
If you wanna turn off the, if you wanna, if you wanna roll down the window, babe.
Okay.
Can I take apart something like Johnny?
You want to give her some? Hey, back out. Go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
My bad.
It's okay. Go, Baki. Go, Baki.
Back over.
Nice.
Johnny, that scared him.
It scared me too.
Don't do that. He's a baby.
I had it. Are these wash triples?
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm gonna
Hey, Johnny, we give Lucy something. Is there anything she can take apart or no?
No.
Are you sure? I'll find something in a minute, Lucy.
Okay. I like to. Johnny's job seems so much fun. He gets to take apart a whole thing, and I don't even get to take apart.
Well, he just started rocking and rolling, honey. No one. He was just doing it.
So,
You
guys,
got roller skate around.
we are going to take apart something, I think. Little. Oh, we don't get to do it. That's okay because we can show you around this whole thing.
Got it.
No, I'm not telling
Why
you.
don't strip this thing off, Dad?
So,
Look at the wire.
let's
Nice.
go.
I want to strip off. This
Actually,
thing.
go. We need to go. But let's go. Daddy.
Yeah.
What was my first video that I did when I first got my iPad?
Probably playing on the playground, I think.
Wait, I did a video of playing on the playground?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Well, because I helped you with those.
Daddy, I really feel like all the jobs are fun around here. Like taking apart stuff, and like doing all the, even though that's all of the boy stuff, I still feel like this would be fun to take apart something, but I don't like taking apart my toys. I only would like to take apart some like fans or something, but no toys. I might have to do that though, but that's okay. If I want to take apart something, I can take apart my least favorite toy, which I'm going to see which one's my least. Wait, I have a lot.
I took out this part. This part.
Right. I know you're so curious.
Now I can adjust these things. Not in now. Oh, God. It looks good.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you think so.
Dad,
Huh?
you know how in the world we take these things off?
I do not.
Guess what I got here? I don't get it. I don't get it. What's my real name today? What, Daddy? What, Daddy?
Oh my goodness, it's cute.
Daddy, look. We have a little baby on our hands. The baby's, guess who the baby's mom is?
Who's that baby mama?
The copy one. Mommy, I lost you. What do I do? It's not fair. Everyone else never loses someone. I lost my mommy. Help me, help me. I lost my mommy. Please help me. Please help me.
Jeez. Oh, she lost her mommy.
The baby did. The pink one did. Honey, where are you? Where are you? Mommy, was that you? Mommy, was that you? Honey, was that you? Mommy, that's so cute. Mommy, are you close by to me?
Let's see. Hey, goofball. Don't be so loud. Use your inside voice.
I left that piece off.
Bogava. Daddy, Bogava slapped my socks onto his claws.
Oh my.
And now it's a big deal. I can't move or do my video. Wait, my video's still on. Oh my goodness. Bogava, I needed a piece of. Oh, Bogava. No. Don't take my sock out.